And what I love doing mostly is I love putting some. So for my, I already partitioned out the soup, as you can see. And for my pounded yam, I love putting some olive oil inside the water. This is native olive oil. I love putting it inside the water so that this thing doesn't stick to the pot. And now we gotta turn our food. So, excuse me for my manners, but this I'm gonna be turning my pounded yam today. If you have some water left, just add it. So, and I'm gonna add some more water. So, and as you can see, I put it on 2. So this is 3. 1.5 should be the middle, so I put it like a bit to the middle. So now this water inside now is going to cook it. But what I do is I don't leave it that long to cook on one side only. No, I just like continue stirring and stirring. A little bit more. So now what I do is, in between the time, I just like cover the soup halfway, but then I make the heat comes out. So this is how to do your pounded yam. So it's actually pounded yam dough. As you can see, I love this pounded yam because it's rise a lot. So as you continue to add water, it will continue to rise. So continue to add water, continue to rise. I actually can tell you how much you will need, but this actually can do for 3 people. This actually like, I think a cup and a half. You ask me how I know, because I just turn it. Yes, I turn it, but because I've been doing this for long, so I know the gauge of the water that I put in the first place. So in the gauge of the water, it's like because the water was actually 1 liter, so I had it in like half a liter water, and then later I was just adding some more. So half a liter water of pounded yam can actually be enough for 2 guys, 2 hefty guys that eat a lot, or 3 women, that is if they eat on average. But if they don't eat much, if they do eat much anyway, maybe for 3 women though, because this one I'm actually doing, you will later see I'm going to partition it, you know. Okay, that is to be true. Okay. So while it's already almost done, just put little more water. So you see, almost a liter of water now is almost finished, as like I said earlier on. So it's almost finished. So this can actually be enough for 3 people. See, let me just partition it. Yeah, for people who don't eat much. See, so, and you need a good pot. You need a very good pot when it comes to swallow in general, which is maybe semo, pounded yam, starch, all this kind of thing. You need a very good pot. And don't forget to always add your olive oil. Sometimes I also use vegetable oil, also not palm oil, vegetable oil. I use that also sometimes. And but today is olive oil. I hope you can see now how it's turning out. See, I told you this for FT men. I told you earlier on that for FT men, 2 men can eat this. If they don't even eat much, even 3 men, you know, yeah. But for women, 3, minimum of 3, you know, for women that eat a lot. Unless there are actually some women that eat like men, they can even eat more than men, you know. So for that there may be 2, but otherwise 3 women normally. Then if they don't eat much, this can be enough for 4 women, and that's actually for almost a liter of water. You see, I told you, and just 1.5 cup of flour, pounded yam flour. So as you can see, our soup is ready. If you're just joining me, I'm sorry, I actually cooked a soup before. So now it's pounded yam time. Oh wow. So now I'm gonna partition it. You're gonna see it. All about Africa. Africa, Africa, Africa. Be right back, everyone. I'm just here at the corner side. So I'm back. Just want to partition the swallow, or as the case may be, like how it's been called. So see, portion one. I told you 3 men can eat this. Or 2 men that eat much. So you see now partition 2 already. So this definitely will be enough for 1 more person. It's all about African. Yeah, this is actually part of Calabash. Yeah, I know you were wondering, oh, where did she get this from? African. Got it from Africa. So this is why you always need water by your side, so that you always resting your hands in between. Yeah, so those of you that actually joined me late, we cooked ogbono soup today and pounded yam. So you guys joined us late. We did the ogbono soup from start to finish, from blending of the ogbono to cooking of the soup to the end, and also the pounded yam from boiling of the water to the end. So it's time to eat. I'll post you guys the last video, the last picture for you guys to see. But if you want to watch the video again from start to finish, you can actually click on this video again, because I'm not gonna delete it. I'm gonna post it and you guys gonna see it live. So it's time to eat. Let's go to eat. Thank you guys for watching, and please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you always get updates from me. We do a lot of things. We do comedy, we read news, we talk about marriages, we also cook, and yeah, so everything all about lifestyle, you get it from our channel. So see you and love you guys. So look at my face again. It's me, your girl QSF Kelly. It's me again, your girl QSF Kelly, AKG2, the qualified swagalicious fashionista Kelly. It's time for me to go and wakis.